Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on PayPal. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box and type in www.paypal.com and press enter. Log into your PayPal account and from the main homepage of PayPal, click on the gear button right next to log out at the upper right hand corner. Make sure that you are inside the account tab from the top of the screen. You'll be able to see your username displayed on the screen. If you'd like to change that, click on the change name link right next to your name and select your type of name change from the options displayed. Click on the next option that says update your name. And now, in order to update or change your username, you must provide a copy of government-issued photo identification that shows your entire face and an ID number. You'll also need a copy of one of these documents. If you have any, click on choose a file and upload. Once you provide necessary verification, you'll be able to update your name. On the next page, simply type in the username you'd like to change to, and that is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.